June 26th, I'm on the back side of claim number 0791251242. We're gonna go ahead and do this repair. In order to do this repair, I have to see which way our shingle goes. In order to do that, I have to unseal the shingle at the top above it. As you guys can see, this shingle is damaged. We have before pictures, and then once we're done, we'll have after pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and unseal our first shingle to see which way our shingle is going. All right, we got it first. I'll do the next one. All right, so the shingle starts right here. So it goes 1, 2, 3. So now I gotta release this one. So this shingle starts here and it goes this way. So I've released these two. Now I have to release these two in order to get all of our nails out of the first nail zone. This one. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the first nail. First nail. Once again, I do have to apply force because it is nails that we're removing. So if I don't apply force, we can't get the nail out. One, that was our first one. We're gonna get our second one. Third one. Third one. And there should be one more. Yep, it's right here. Okay, we have our first nail zone out. Those are 4 nails. If you guys can see, I'm taking out the damaged shingle. It still does not come out. It is because this shingle is intertwined with the above 2 shingles. So we just released the first nail zone. Now we're gonna have to release the second nail zone. So in order to do that, once again, I'm gonna have to unseal this shingle, 1, 2, 3, this shingle, let's see, and this one as well. All right, so let's start by identifying where our second nail zones are. Where are the nails? Gotta let go of this one too. First nail's right here. One. Two. Three. 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Just to double check, we'll check this one. So if we did this correctly, the shingle should come right out. Just one more nail. Oh yeah, it's right here. It had sealant on it. Okay, there we go. We'll add one more additional nail. It was hidden under the sealer. There we go. Okay, so we got our old shingle out. I always like to explain why we have to let go of 2 nail zones. Those 2 shingles intertwine with this one. In order to do this repair, I have to let go of those 2 nail zones. There's a nail zone, there's a nail zone. 1 and 2. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna compare it. Let's compare it. It's slightly longer. We're gonna go ahead and continue with the repair and get this repair finished up. Go ahead and slide it under as gently as possible. Alright, we got it in there. We're gonna go ahead and start nailing our nail zones. Four nails per nail zone. Now we're gonna use the other side of the tool. You guys can see all the granule lost. One. Two. Three. Last one. Second nail zone. One. Two. Obviously, you have to lift up the shingle in order to get the nail on there. So that's why the shingle is being lifted here. And 4. So I went ahead and completed this repair. As you guys can see, in order to repair this shingle, we do have to let go of both of these shingles nails on. And as you guys can see, in order to repair this shingle was now damaged. So was the one above. As stated, if you guys have any other suggestions, we would love to follow them to get this homeowner taken care of. Thank you.